इतने तो रोजे भी नहीं बचे जितने मम्मी और मैंने कपड़े ले लिए। जोगेश्वरी हैज चेंज सो मच। ये मिड डे में देखो कौन आया है। योर डॉटर इज ऑल्सो इन्फ्लुएंसर नाउ। दिस इज द ब्यूटीफुल स्प्रेड बाय माँ मेड इट।
Who asked for it? I don't want it.
I've not been to the bite so long. Oh my god. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. Welcome to the first Ramzan vlog of 2025. I see all your comments. I know you all are missing my Ramzan series. I never thought people would miss my Ramzan content this much. I don't know if you all are missing my Ramzan content or missing telling me what I'm doing wrong during Ramzan, because that's mostly the comments that I get during my Ramzan series. But I'm back. I was away for a little bit. I took a break. I was literally away from social media. Like, I was not logged into any of my social media. If there was anything posted, it was done by my team. I was not in touch with my team. I was not in touch with anything and anybody. Just Reet and just my family and just that's it. Abhi, since this is 15th roza and it's a bada roza also, so I am going Ramzan shopping. मैं अपनी wardrobe में देख रही थी और इतने सारे कपड़े भी नहीं. I have just been so disconnected that I don't even have like a lot of Indian outfits that fit me anymore. Most of my outfits have become loose for me. So mummy and I decided कि हम बाहर जाएंगे and we'll do some Ramzan shopping. So we are going to Jogeshwari. They have a huge market, right? Jogeshwari has a huge kapda bazaar and they have a lot of ready-made outfits also. So I want to see like Eid के लिए, not for no Eid के लिए नहीं, Ramzan के हिसाब से I want कपड़े जस्ट रोजों में पहनने के लिए. सिंपल कॉटन कुर्ती, सॉफ्ट मटेरियल्स एंड स्टफ. आई डोंट वांट टू गेट लखनवी स्पेसिफिकली. आई हैव बॉट लखनवी इन द पास्ट एंड आई हैव अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ लखनवी कुर्ती, सो आई डोंट वांट लखनवी. आई वांट समथिंग एल्स. लेट्स सी, a lot of different new fabrics that have come, maybe satin, maybe cotton, and you know, let's see what is there in the kapda bazaar of Jogeshwari. Let's go Ramzan shopping and I'm back. Okay, I'm feeling better. If y'all are concerned about me, you don't have to be. I am better and I'm back and I'm alhamdulillah a lot better. So let's go and let's do Ramzan shopping. We used to stay in this building before, third floor पे, so that's why Jogeshwari is like second home. पूरा बचपन इधर ही गुजरा है. Mummy is talking to our laundry uncle who was our laundry uncle. चलो. This is nice, yeah. This color is also nice. This is really pretty. Comfy it is. Lining डालोगे. तुमको कपड़े लेने.
कॉटन वगैरह में नहीं है क्या? ये वाला मॉडल है.
You like this pink?
This pink.
ये क्या है? Semi stitched है. This is nice then. Not expensive. I'll take it.
Yeah, of course.
फिर सिलवाना पड़ेगा लेकिन अजहर से ये.
Yeah. Better than that is this, ना?
This color? ये निकालोगे भैया? 550 he said what meter, right? ये
550
ये मेरे को वॉश आउट करेगा.
यार्ड. तो इनके लिए कितना लगेगा?
सिर्फ टॉप बनाना.
हाँ, टॉप
बनाए तो इनको 3 बार जाएगा.
3 बार जाएगा.
I like this color but
ठीक चार्ट.
because this will wash me out. ये बहुत अच्छा है. ये भी मोडाली है तो.
अच्छा है.
ये अच्छा है. ये बहुत अच्छा. 2500 नहीं अच्छा है.
ठीक है, अच्छा है. प्रिंट लगेगा, मस्त है.
ये भी अच्छा है मम्मी ऊपर. I wish I had the capability to go through this. ये तो ईद के हिसाब से बहुत भारी है.
बताया हुआ है वैसे 10 पीस बता दो.
ये जो पिंक वाला
प्योर लिनन का उसका बॉटम ना 100% कॉटन.
या रेंज में चलेगा बट
this will look good on you mummy. This will look really good on you. On you it would look good, not on me. This is very trendy.
ये कम नहीं पड़ेगा ना कपड़ा इनके लिए.
फ्री साइज है इनके लिए. क्या तो फ्री साइज है.
You see this for something if iftar party types. No,
बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है.
बहुत extra है.
बहुत extra.
Looked good from afar.
बहुत ज्यादा है.
इतने तो रोजे भी नहीं बचे जितने मम्मी और मैंने कपड़े ले लिए. मम्मी पहनोगी ना? सिलाओगी कभी?
मेरा तो एक दिन में टेलर सीखेगा.
मेरा भी. मम्मी का पेट भरा नहीं है अभी तक.
See here you want na like these ready made.
Very nice. This color is very nice. Very pretty मम्मी. This is very nice. I want this. बहुत खूबसूरत है. क्यों नहीं अच्छा लगा? दिस इज अ वेरी ट्रेंडी फैशन। ये बहुत ही सुंदर है, बहुत ही सुंदर है। ये तो मैं ईद पे भी पहन सकती हूँ गाइस, इतना सुंदर है। 12,000 खर्चा हो गया, 5 कपड़े मिले, 2,500 का एक सूट। जोगेश्वरी हैज चेंज सो मच। द क्रेजी रश, इतनी भीड़, हम बिछड़ गए।
Later that night.
I don't know about you, but I struggle severely when I know I have to get up early, and so when I have to get up for Seri, I can't sleep. I just can't sleep. I try so much to sleep because I'm tired and I do need the rest, but I don't get sleep. It's 2:30 and I'm just tossing in bed thinking I have to be up in an hour. Easy, like I will be up by 4, not before that, but still.
One nap later.
It's 4:30 and I'm finally cooking my sari. I'm making a shakshuka and a glass of chia seed water. I have a lot of bottles of water next to me to consume. I'm going to be taking my banana and supplements too. So this is going to be my sahri. Chia seed just helps you cool down your system and also gives you an illusion that you're full. I had to literally wake Satyam because my tawa is not coming out. I put something to just make it cold, the shakshuka, but nahi nikal raha. स्टीम की वजह से अटक गया है। मेरा शाक्षुका उसके अंदर है, मेरी सहरी उसके अंदर है, मेरा टाइम जा रहा है। आई मेड द शाक्षुका एंड आई पुट दैट टू ढको इट, बट स्टीम इतना ज़्यादा था कि वो अटक गया। नेवर हैपेंड टू मी एंड दिस हैज हैपेंड टू मी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। ओ माय गॉड, इट्स 4:45 एंड आज मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोई हूँ। जस्ट 15 मिनट्स आई गॉट स्लीप। आई एम सो स्लीपी एंड आई एम सो हंग्री। मेरा शाक्षुका अटक गया, अभी मैं नया बना रही हूँ। दिस पैन जस्ट डज नॉट वांट टू ओपन। आई पुट वाटर आल्सो ऑन इट ताकि थोड़ा कूल डाउन हो जाए। There's so much steam stuck inside, but नहीं निकल रहा। Satyam is cutting the vegetables again.
Few inches later.
Alright, I redid the entire shakshuka again. It's only 5 o'clock. I still have 20 minutes to eat. 5:20 की सुहूर है।
A few hours later.
My Ramzan routine has not changed at all since COVID started. I think it's been the same. I sleep at Sehri. I try to sleep before Sehri, but nahi lagti neend, and then I sleep at Sehri. Wake up at 2 and 1 o'clock I woke up, 1:30, and then had a bath, prayed my Zohar namaz, and now I'm gonna dry my hair. I washed my hair today because aaj iftar party hai. Mummy and her team are out. Mamated team is out. They are cooking a big iftar feast, and my family is coming over for an iftar party. So aaj iftari mere ghar pe hai. Usually it's always at Mummy's house, but आज मेरे घर पे है because she's cooking over here. She shoots in my kitchen, so of course खाना बनाने के बाद उधर कौन लेके जाएगा वापस? So we're just going to have an iftari in our house today. I'm going to dry my hair. अजहर आया है। आई हैव कॉल्ड हिम बिकॉज हम लोग ने कल सब सेमी स्टिच्ड वाले कपड़े लिए जिसपे काम होता है बट वो सिलाई नहीं हो रखी होती है बिकॉज रेडीमेड की पैंट मुझे फिट नहीं आ रही थी। आई ट्राइड वन पैंट बट वाज नॉट फिटिंग मी। रेडीमेड आल्सो देयर वाज रियली गुड कलेक्शन इन ऑल दोस शॉप्स इन जोगेश्वरी। वैशाली नगर इज वेयर यू शुड गो एंड रियली गुड कलेक्शन। इफ यू वांट फॉर ईद आल्सो यू कैन गेट लाइक 5,000 के आसपास बहुत अच्छी लाइक कलेक्शन है। मेरे को आज एक सिला के तो आज दिन लोग इस तरह के मम्मी भी अभी यूट्यूबर हो गए मालूम है? हाँ देखे तुमने? कैसे सिलाओगे वो पिंक? और एक बार सब खोल के देख लो क्योंकि कुछ मेरे को ऐसा फिट चाहिए, मतलब एक मिनट। पैंट तो इसमें कैसे दोगे? स्ट्रेट पैंट ऐसी ना, ऐसी पैंट देना, चूड़ीदार नहीं देना।
चूड़ीदार नहीं आएगा, पैंट ही आएगा।
नमाज में पहनने को इजी पड़े वैसी पैंट, सिंपल। और कितना अच्छा वैरायटी भी होगा।
ऊपर सही दिख रहा है,
अच्छा है ना क्वालिटी?
अच्छा है।
हाँ तो ये कैसा ऐसा सिलाओ जैसे ये कपड़े होते हैं ना, एकदम टाइट फिट दोगे उसका।
फिटिंग में रखते हैं ना इसको।
ठीक है। और स्लीव्स का क्या?
स्लीव जो 3/4 सीधी आएगी क्योंकि कपड़ा उतना है नहीं।
ओके वो वाला लूज फिटिंग में बनाओ। ये जो बेज वाला है ना, ये वाला लूज फिटिंग में बनाओ। इसका दुपट्टा बहुत अच्छा है तो ये लूज फिटिंग में अच्छा है। इसको फिटिंग में बनाओ। ये इसके साथ चूड़ीदार भी अच्छी लगेगी।
अभी आज कौन सा पहनेंगे?
ये जो तुमने पिंक वाला। दी ज्यादा आउटफिट दैट आई हैव गॉटन। ये एक लूज फिटिंग में, इसका दुपट्टा बहुत अच्छा है। ये दोनों टाइट फिटिंग में। एक बार सिल के आ जाएंगे तो आई विल शो यू ऑल। एंड ये तो आज ही। कितने बजे तक दोगे? अगर इफ्तारी की पार्टी है 6 बजे ना
देख रहा हूँ हम भी रोजे से हैं। भी फास्ट ही करूँगा कुछ
हाँ विफास ही करना आना नहीं
3 बज रहा है।
3 बज रहा है बस सिलाई करने की है 6 बजे वो तैयार होने का 6 क्या बन रहा है आज इफ्तार में
बहुत कुछ
आज बन रहा है ऑमलेट जो बन रहा है सीक्रेट ऑमलेट बना है।
मेरे सहरी का ऑमलेट खुला क्या लिड
नहीं खुला था दे बोथ वर
खोलेंगे
रेसलिंग
बट भाई अभी वो खोलेंगे उड़ के आएगा ना वो हम लोग कपड़ा खड़ा होगा शूट खत्म हो तो फिर हम लोग करेंगे वो हरकतें।
जितना
सुबह
नहीं,
सोच मैंने
एप्रन
पूरी-
ऐसे एप्रन डाल के वो करो प्लास्टिक का ऐसा
मैंने
डाल
पूरी
के।
सहरी बनाई और 5 बजे मेरी सहरी खुली नहीं रही है फिर मेरे को वापस बनानी पड़ी
तो टाइम पे हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
हाँ हुआ ना फटाफट सत्य हमको उठा के वापस और जैसे काटता था फिर सोने चला जाता था
आप ही बोले सोने के लिए।
हाँ आप ही बोले आज के मिड डे में देखो कौन आया है ये आई एम सो हैप्पी women solo travelers are only safe until they aren't हमारा इंटरव्यू है इसमें हम लोगों ने डिजिटली दिया था इंटरव्यू मस्त था
मैं तो शौक तो फेमस हुआ है भाई।
ये हम लोग का फर्स्ट कपल न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल है फ्रिज पे लगाना पड़ेगा
बाप रे न्यूज़ पर
आज सुबह सुबह पता है न्यूज़पेपर वाला दरवाजे पे आया बिल मांगने मैं बोली भाई मैं सैरी कर रही हूँ सो रही हूँ तो बाद में मेरे को फज के सुसु करने के लिए न्यूज़पेपर लेते ना हम लोग नहीं नहीं सुबह सुबह हाँ पढ़ते रहे हम लोग बाथरूम में बैठे हाँ
Both of you compliment each other. It looks like a very photogenic picture.
थैंक्स वी आर
Very photogenic. See,
पप्पा 5 लेके आए न्यूज़पेपर आज का मिड डे पप्पा
वो तो ऐसे ही उस दिन भी वो मंगाई थी लास्ट टाइम तो वो 3 लेकर आए
फोर्ब्स
फोर्ब्स का इफ्तार गिफ्ट
रिटर्न गिफ्ट है वो सबके लिए।
इफ्तार की रिटर्न
इफ्तार की रिटर्न गिफ्ट सत्यम आलू देख बेटा
सत्यम इज मेकिंग इट और माँ इज मेकिंग इट
माइस मेकिंग कहाँ है भाई इंटरव्यू दिखी नहीं
वो रहा है,
दिखा आगे आंखों से देखो
वो सर्कल में देखो
ये
ऊपर ऊपर
वो
सर्कल
कौन
में।
है मम्मी
ये साइकिलिंग पे कौन है ये है
हाँ
तुम इन्फ्लुएंसर ही हो ना रियल में। आर यू अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर रियली?
I feel so funny to tell anybody. Yesterday I spoke to Sarah. I said, Vrinda said only one pass is available. Only the influencer. I said so funny it is.
चलो मम्मी इफ्तार का टाइम हो रहा है मेहमान भी आ गए सी नाना योर डॉटर इज आल्सो इन्फ्लुएंसर नाउ
Big mad.
या यू हेलो यू सॉ रीत एंड आई केम इन न्यूज़पेपर डियर अंगासा अंगास
अच्छा वेरी गुड हु पुट दिस
मिड डे ये देखो मेन कैरेक्टर अपने को कुछ नहीं करने का है Nali is also ready.
Lights, camera, action.
Oh my god. Looks damn tasty.
Later.
Azhar actually sent the outfit. He remembered and he refasted it by himself. But bichara, he forgot to put the dupatta in that. So I'm unable to wear that outfit abhi. So I'm just wearing my Loomka old outfit that I have, which is also very pretty. It's this red outfit and I'm just gonna take my white chicken curry dupatta. This is my staple iftari dupatta. I don't even try with my dupattas in iftari because this is so soft. Abhi itne saalon se to Ramzan is coming in summers only. So this is my everyday dupatta. I either wear this chicken curry one or this one. This is cotton and this is chiffon. But yeah, these are my 2 dupattas for iftari and I'm iftar ready. Mummy is very chaotic at this moment because she's cooking and she also has to set up iftar and she doesn't have a house help. Chotu's not there, so she's all over the place. So we have to go and help her. आ गई हूँ मम्मी तुम्हारी मदद करने.
देख रेडी है इफ्तारी खोलने के लिए खजूर लेके खड़े हो जा
बस फिर
फिर
देखो मेरी प्रेजेंस ही इम्पोर्टेंट है तुम्हारे लिए बस ऐसा इफ्तारी पार्टी रखने वाले अपन मैं साफ सफाई में एक्सपर्ट हूँ हेलो नमक का
आज कहाँ बना रहे
तू खाली घचपच करके खराब करेगा तू रख
भाई उसका टेस्टिंग शॉट बाकी है
निकालना ही पड़ेगा ना प्लेट थोड़ी इसमें खाएंगे.
दिस इज आवर इफ्तार स्प्रेड आज बिरयानी फ्रूट्स चिकन साटे ए तूने कुछ नहीं बनाया ये क्या है चिकन लॉलीपॉप मम्मी प्रेजेंट तो करो तुम अभी तक बना ही रही हो
अरे सबको लगेगा ना खाना
अच्छा ओके ओके दिस इज द ब्यूटिफुल स्प्रेड बाय माँ मेड इट और खजूरी नहीं है बिकॉज बाप डिड नॉट मेक इट बाप इज वेरी डिसओरिएंटेड डिड नॉट ब्रिंग खजूर इन दिस हाउस बिकॉज ये घर में हम इफ्तार खोलते नहीं है वो घर में खोलते
लगता है वो पहला दिन खजूर
फिर 10 दिन पानी और फिर बाकी ये 10 दिन में नमक।
ये घर में हम इफ्तार नहीं खोलते तो आई डोंट हैव खजूर। अल्लाह हम पर अपनी रहमत नाज़िल फरमा, करम की बारिश फरमा और इसके हला लेता। अल्लाह हमें क़यामत के रोज़ अपना निजात नसीब फरमा। या अल्लाह हमें और तमाम मोमिनीन व मोमिनात को अब हश्र की रुसवाइयों से बचा। या अल्लाह नामे अमाल हमारे दाहिने हाथ में नसीब फरमा। या अल्लाह अपने अर्श के साए में जगह अता फरमा। या अल्लाह पुल सिरात पर बिजली की तरह गुजरने की क़ुव्वत अता फरमा। या अल्लाह हम दोनों जहां में रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी लका संतो व बिका मंतो व अलैका तवक्कलतु व अरज़ इस्तग़फ़रतु तक़ब्बल। Take it. Better do this.
What you're eating? Your roza? Your roza? No, I'm hungry. पानी की प्यास बाहर की बुझा है। मुझे पानी की प्यास लगती है, मेरे को खाने की भूख नहीं।
चुपके चुपके खाता पीता तो नहीं।
इफ्तारी को भूला है, डिनर को नहीं भूला है।
वाटरमेलन पूरा खा गया इफ्तार टेबल का वाटरमेलन आते के साथ।
इफ्तार टेबल का नहीं है ये वाटरमेलन,
कहाँ से आया फिर?
अलग से काटा है उसने, विदाउट सीड वाला।
विदाउट सीड का भी वाटरमेलन आता है?
मतलब सत्यम ने उसको सीड निकाल के दी।
Where Ethan uncle is gone? हाँ? गाँव। देखो आज मेरी कॉफी किसने बनाया? ओ माय गॉड! तालियां हो जाए! इम्पल्स कॉफीज बनाया गया है बाय ईशान। थैंक यू माय ईशू, आई लव यू सो मच, आई लव यू सो मच। शहरी एक शहरी इसके अंदर अटकी है, मेरा शाक्षुका। या वो ढक्कन,
ढक्कन तुम खराब कर देंगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा।
तुमको ढक्कन की पड़ी है?
नहीं तो क्या है?
नहीं पैन तो ठीक है, गया ही मेरा पैन बहुत पुराना है।
वैसा नहीं होएगा ताहा,
ओह माय गॉड,
नहीं होएगा वैसा नहीं
शिट।
होएगा।
ऐसे खुल रहा है आंटी वो, और कैसे खुलेगा फिर ये?
और कैसा खुलेगा?
मेरे को मालूम है कैसा खुलेगा।
इसमें स्टीम अटका, मेरा गरम गरम शाक्षुका था, मैं अंडे पकाने के लिए ढकी, अंडे पकाने ढकी और फिर निकाली। हाँ अंडे शाक्षुका है, मेरा सहरी नहीं हुई, फिर मेरे को दूसरा बनाना पड़ा फटाफट। हाँ हाँ मेरे को क्या मालूम या मैं खुश। ओह माय गॉड, बेलन तो टूट जाएगा लकड़ा।
It's not opening and inside that egg is there.
What? How can you do it? Look at them struggling.
See how many people are doing and they are not able to do it. See how many people. 1, 2, 3, 4.
अंकल बोल रहे दूसरी साइड से करना, घूमेगा भी नहीं ब्रो, उसमें प्रेशर अटका है ना। Okay, I'm gonna try and get some sleep tonight before Sehri because I will have to wake up early tomorrow. It's a Monday and I know my team has a lot on their task list. They've already shared it with me. There's a lot I have to look into, so it's best I get enough sleep. I won't be able to sleep till 1 or 2 o'clock. आज जैसे मैं सोई थी, so I'm gonna try. I'm not sure. I suck at sleeping before Sehri. Yes, I'm gonna just try. Let's see.
Many unbearable hours later.
No points for guessing that I have not slept till now. I tried so hard, but I didn't get any sleep. I'm just gonna whip up like a scrambled egg situation because I can't even make a shakshuka. I don't feel like waking Satyam because आज उसने बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया. He was working non-stop in the kitchen with mummy for iftar party. So I'll just drink some water, prepare an egg dish, and I also had a Frankie. I was feeling super hungry, so I ordered a Frankie from Zomato and I ate that. So I'm kind of full already. I'll sleep a little early today. Like I'll finish Sehri a little early. A lot of you were saying that you know your Sehri is till like 5 o'clock only, but हमारे मस्जिद का जो calendar होता है they give it to you and it says like today it's till 5:22. So every day of course the timing changes, but it's still like हमारा sunrise of course different time पे होता है. If you're living in Kolkata or northeast or something, your timing will be earlier. Fudge is barking, but I'm just saying that sunrise is different everywhere. My my nanny gives us desi ande because she has hens in her house. If you've seen my nanny's house, you know she has chickens, she has hens, they lay eggs, and so ye dono desi ande hai. And you can see the yolk ka color difference, and this is the anda we get from anda wala jo bhaiya aate hain. You can see how pure this is, and you only use 2 because they are very heaty. They give you a lot of heat because they are desi anda. So I mix like 2 and 2. I'm making like one big sunny side up. I'm gonna put all the seasonings. I love this seasoning I got from US. This is the aglio olio seasoning from so it almost tastes like a pizza. It makes my anda taste like a pizza. I have everything to make an anda spicy and better because I'm a big expert. Play on words. So chia seeds and water, what that does basically is chia seeds gives you an illusion that your stomach is full. So that's why I have it. Usually, ideally, you should soak it overnight, but it's okay. Even if you soak it 5 minutes and then just have it, it's good enough. Then 2 liters of water. A lot of you are like, "Arey, if you drink water, you'll keep peeing all night." That doesn't happen. If your body is functioning normally, that doesn't happen. I drink this 2 liters of water. I go to sleep. I wake up in the morning. I wake up at 2 p.m. naturally wanting to pee in the morning like you do. ऐसा नहीं कि बार-बार आप उठते रहोगे सुसु करने के लिए. And as soon as you drink water, it doesn't go out of your system. Then your kidneys are not functioning properly, and your body, you need to get yourself checked if that's happening to you. You don't pee immediately after you drink water. But yes, throughout the day I do keep peeing, and that's good. You know, I don't have very concentrated urine and it's not burning, and my body is properly hydrated when I'm drinking 2 liters of water. So the sodium balance, because I put a lot of salt on my eggs also, the sodium balance, the water retention, everything is good, well balanced, and I'm hydrated evenly throughout the day. And yes, by 5 o'clock I do feel dehydrated, but it's never that, you know, I don't want to catch a urinary tract infection or something like that, which is possible. A lot of people can't drink water. They are not used to drinking water. I understand that. काफी लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि पानी पीने ही नहीं होता है उनको, but मुझे बहुत प्यास लगती है. In general, I'm somebody who doesn't feel hungry a lot, but I feel very thirsty. So for me to drink this is super easy. It's healthy too, you know. आज मैंने water eaten सहरी वाला reel वाला, that's my first reel this Ramzan. A lot of y'all were waiting for it, which really warms my heart that a lot of y'all actually enjoy my Ramzan content. But then those judgments like आप इतना पानी कैसे पी लेते हो, आप इतना खाना कैसे खा लेते हो, ये कैसे कर लेते हो, कैसे मुस्लिम हो, ये हो. I don't want Muslim of the Year award. Who asked for it? I don't want it. This is a relationship between me and my God. Normally also I pray namaz, you know, but I never put it in my vlogs because then every vlog pe these people will come at me. Only Ramzan ke time pe, because majority of my day goes in worship, it has to be in the vlog. If I'm vlogging, that is, and I did take a break for a good 10 to 15 days, but if I take any longer, I'll literally lose my job. And I also feel better to come back to the judgment and the hate that normal people, I feel like this community is so peaceful and you're supposed to be just praying, minding your own business, loving and worshipping your relationship with God and strengthening it. Some people want to tell me how much water I'm having is too much. Mind your own water balance. Mind your own business. If you're actually concerned कि मैं इतना पानी पीऊंगी और वो किधर जाएगा, बॉडी में ही जाएगा. All your cells in your body need water. They need. Your eyes can get dry. The skin can get dry. All of that needs water. So for my skin, my hair, my eyes, I have really dry eyes also, you know. So because I'm on the screen इतना ज़्यादा, मेरी आँखें बहुत सूख जाती है. So if I don't drink enough water, I'm sure my eyes will be burning by the end of the day. And I don't want to trigger all these problems. I know my body so well. I'm very alert with whatever my body experiences. So especially after my PCOS recovery journey, I've become very aware that if my body is giving a sign, it is a sign of it wants me to fix something. So if my eyes are dry and burning, maybe I should hydrate it externally. Like, we should not have to rely on eye drops and stuff. We have to fix everything with our diet and as much as we can through our own lifestyle. Now I'm very aware about all that. Also for the supplements that I take, a lot of you are asking what hair and skin supplements I take. Hair supplements are given by my dermat. You get those at his clinic only. They are not sold as online or something. So wo uske clinic pe milta hai. Go to Dr. Shades in Juhu. Skin supplements are given by my nutritionist. Like, they are not just skin, they are metabolism supplements in general which help with my skin. And that's given by my nutritionist. Ask Natural. Again, that's not something I can just prescribe in a vlog. If agar main boli aur aap log ne le liye, might not suit you. So I tell you all my resources. You can contact my nutritionist or my dermat and you will get something which is customized to you.
One nap later.
Monday in office and we are unboxing PR and Fudge is playing with bubble wrap. That's the sound you're getting, sound effect. That's the little joy he has in life, so I'm going to take it away. A brand has sent me non-alcoholic oud perfume, non-alcoholic perfume. The packaging firstly is so good. This brand is called Al Haq Fragrances. This is the luxurious packaging जिसमें आया है ये oud की bottle and this one is stunning. It's called Fala. This is the bottle. It smells really luxurious, like oh my god. I have not yet applied oud. I was coming in the room to apply. My oud is usually here. And I have the one Sunaina gave me in the Dubai mystery box. वो एक ही अभी तक चल रहा है because oud lasts a really long time. You don't end up applying a lot. Plus it's super concentrated. Smells so good. Oh my god. What I love about oud is it stays on much longer. Even Tamanna, she's an oud person. Like she loves perfume oil and not perfume. And I love this one. The Falah one. They also sent me another one. This is called Oud Al Sharaf. But I didn't like this. This is I think for men. This is not for women.
This one, man. Yeah.
I know this is not for women. Like it's got a very strong spicy, musky.
Spice,
yeah, I think I'll ask Dad if he likes this and I'll give it to him. But yeah, this is a great oud option if my Muslim friends are looking for something in Ramzan because you can't put perfumes. And also Atmos Living sent more of their perfumes. This is the new launch Black Sea. 2 new launches Atmos has had. I love their perfumes also. I think they are not affordable. They are mid-range. They are 2000 something. But I think it's damn worth it because they are long lasting. Again, I'm saying that perfumes last different on different body odor also. Like what lasts longer on you might not last long on me and vice versa. But on me, they last for a good 5 hours. Like I can smell this perfume on me. And whenever I apply the Dark Amber by Atmos Living, I get so many compliments. Everybody asks me which perfume I've applied. This is Black Sea. I'm not going to apply it now because they have alcohol. Yeah, this is more fresh. Wild Leather is the next one. I got a lot of PR. Wild Leather smells like Dubai Mall. With me, something with me and mall fragrances. I actually love mall perfumes. All these fancy malls that I've been to in life like Marina Bay Sands and Dubai Mall and Palladium, ये सारे की fragrance मेरे दिमाग में registered है because you know I love shopping and I love a mall and so I love perfume and then it just registers in my head. And this smells like Dubai Mall. Oh my god. I've not been to Dubai in so long. Should go na, this year we'll go. Inshallah. This is the perfume PR that I've received. There's a lot of other PR, but we need to get to other work. I have to shoot 2 brand videos today. 1 long form, 1 short form, and I have to shoot some content for Impulse and a meeting at 5 PM. So let me first check my emails and then schedule my meeting. There's a Harry Potter PR box. Britannia Pure Magic. Who sent this? Britannia has a Harry Potter collection. Oh my god. Reet would flip. Britannia has launched Harry Potter biscuits. Chocolate biscuits that I can't have. This is a snitch necklace. It's a very long necklace, but oh my god. How many Hogwarts, the amount of Hogwarts mugs I have. This I will give away. Hogwarts to some other excited Harry Potter fan. Oh, this is a pen. Oh my god, this is so fancy. Look at this pen. This is a quill pen. And what else is there? There's a notebook. Chotu si notebook.
20 minutes later.
I'm dressed for a shoot. I have to shoot 2 reels and 1 YouTube video. उसके लिए पूरा setup करके इधर ready है. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get time to shoot the YouTube video. I've prayed Zohar Namaz and did my makeup and my makeup is clinging to all the dry patches that I have because I'm dehydrated. My skin is very dry during Ramzan. My hair has also become super dry. It's probably because of the water content in my body. Like usually guys, I drink like, I'm a tunky, okay? Everybody knows who knows me personally. I drink a lot of water. So Ramzan mein, whatever happens, even if I drink 2 liters, that still gets me dehydrated and my skin and hair start acting up. But we are shooting for Impulse's summer launch and 2 of your favorite coffee flavors are making their comeback this summer and these were such great hits in the years that we launched them, and since we do organic flavors, we can only bring the flavor back when the season of the fruit is. And so the season of the fruit is finally here. We've manufactured your favorites and they're coming back on 22nd March at impulsecoffees.com, and now I'm going to go shoot the main TVC, which is going to be super filmy because we love to do overacting over here. I'm core Bollywood and so is my team. So we are doing core Bollywood overacting wala TVC to show that the launch has happened. Oh, this scene. तो scene play कर रही है?
उसमें ही है वो जो ट्यून जो है अपने
अच्छा, oh. This is coming back.
देखो देखो आ गया
यार क्या बोलोगी?
हंसो मत यार वो हंस रहे हो
तो जया बच्चन जैसी एक्टिंग करनी.
इसके पहले तुम लोग ने बराबर किया था बस श्रद्धा हंसे थे नहीं तो उसके पहले
श्रद्धा हंस
proper
मत.
आया था वो.
श्रद्धा.
हंसो मत ऐसा.
Kacha Aam is coming back. I'm so excited to be having Kacha Aam इफ्तारी के बाद. And so is pineapple. इन्होंने टिप्स
उधर देखो तभी ऐसे बड़े स्माइल आने. कहाँ है आंसू थोड़ी सच्ची में आएंगे अभी.
नहीं तू रो बनाई ऐसा कैसा पानी डाल आंखों में.
डालू थोड़ा.
हाँ आंसू तो चाहिए ना.
भाई वो उसको बंद कर दे.
तू ऐसा रियलिस्टिक एक्टिंग कर.
वो she's an actor उसको गाना आने की जरूरत नहीं.
बिना गाने के एक्टिंग करेगी वो. अभी कितना क्लियर हो गया ना स्काई. पोल्यूशन गया तो पोल्यूशन इज रियली डाउन. यू कैन सी द स्काई, सी द बादल. आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रीथ. आई डिडंट इवन गेट दैट शो मी. You shoot it HDR तो तू Final Cut Pro पे मस्त है. वाह.
A few moments later. Later.
I am gonna close this vlog right here. You've seen my Ramzan routine. It's all over the place, okay? It's not like very literal. Some nights if I'm sleepy, I sleep. Some nights if I'm not sleepy, I don't sleep. It's literally how I'm feeling. Like after iftar today, I took a nap on mummy's sofa. It was the best 40-minute cat nap that I got. And after that, now I'm so recharged that I'm literally sitting in the middle of the night and organizing jewelry in my bedroom. My jewelry is such a mess. And I don't know why I thought of it randomly while eating dinner. I was like, oh, my jewelry is a mess. Like, it's like कुछ मिलता क्यों नहीं है मुझे जो चाहिए होता है वो मुझे मिल. Also, where is my diamond jewelry that I wore? See, I just keep it. And the thing is, there are so many trays that I've kept in like different places of the house because I sometimes get unready in the studio, sometimes in the bedroom. तो यहाँ वहाँ jewelry निकाल के रख दो और फिर हर जगह mess होता है. Plus half the times after shoot, I'm not picking up, Satyam is picking up, Sherin is picking up. So I don't know where my things are kept, which sucks, right? So you should know where your things are kept. So then abhi, since I have so much time and I'm not going to get sleep till Sehri, I'm organizing my jewelry. I always postpone it thinking कि मैं aesthetic reels बनाऊंगी जैसे मैं देखती हूँ सबके organization videos. I will also make that. वो मुहूर्त आता नहीं है कभी भी, वो aesthetic reels बनती नहीं है और उसी वजह से मेरा organization भी नहीं होता है. तो today we will do it without making any reel or even a vlog. I'm going to end this vlog and I'm going to do it शांति से गाने सुनते हुए. Fajju's already off to bed. He's sleeping. And yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being so patient while I took my break. I know you guys missed me, so I hope this video was that lamba vlog जो आप लोग ने miss किया है. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that big thumbs up button. It really helps with the algorithm. So please help your girl out. For today's video, Sasko Shout goes to Shruti Goti. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next year's Sasko Shout Out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. And also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and shout out for my next video, Sarah Squad Shout. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys, love you.